Hi, third graders. We're going to check our work for page 177 and 178 in your suffixes packet. So this week we were only working on the suffixes with full, less, and ly. And this is just giving you practice in writing words that end with suffixes. So the directions for this one say write the spelling words, so those are the words up here, that end with each of these suffixes. And the first column, you're writing the words with full. So let's check those together. Okay, the first ones that I did, careful, cheerful, helpful, colorful, harmful, peaceful, and pitiful. Now, one thing that I want to show you on this is I want you to recognize where the base word is. And that's when you take the suffix off. So this is the word care, so full of care. Cheerful is full of cheer. Helpful is full of help. Colorful is full of color. Harmful, full of harm. Peaceful, full of peace. And pitiful, full of pity. Notice when you have to change, or when you have to add the suffix onto pitiful, normally the word pity ends with a Y, so you have to change the Y to an I and add the suffix. Okay, the next part is the words that end with ly. So we have the word helplessly, so in a helpless way, carefully, in a careful way, peaceful, in a peaceful way. So again, the base words for this actually are help, care, and peace, because you are adding less, full, and full onto all these words, and then you add another suffix to show that it's happening in that sort of way, because that's what ly means, in a certain way. Okay, then less, we have painless, priceless, helpless, sleepless, rainless. So I'm just going to box the base word again, painless, so without pain. Priceless, without a price. Helpless, without help. Sleepless, without sleep. And rainless is without rain. All right, if you got those right, give yourself a star. And let's check the next page, which was 178. So the directions on this page say, for each spelling word below, write the base word. So that's the word that stands alone when you remove the suffix. The first one is done for you. So they took the word peace and they left the suffix off and they wrote a base word peace. So helplessly, the base word would be help, not helpless, because helpless has a suffix, so it's just help. Number 3, cheerful would be cheer, because that's the word that stands alone, the base word. Helpful, again, help is your base word. Harmful, harm is your base word. Helpless, help is your base word. Colorful, color is your base word. Painless, pain is your base word. Carefully, your base word is care, because full is a suffix and ly is a suffix, so this one has 2 suffixes. Rainless, rain is your base word. Careful, care is your base word. Sleepless, sleep is your base word. Pitiful. Now this one you've got to be careful because the base word is spelled with a Y. When you add the suffix full onto pitiful, you have to change the Y to an I and then you add the suffix. But when you write the base word all by itself, you need to make sure you put a Y. Priceless, so price is your base word. And peacefully, your base word is peace. That's the word that stands alone. Now, I already gave you the answer to which base word changes Y to an I when adding a suffix, and it is the base word of pity, P-I-T-Y, because when you add the suffix, then you change it to an I. All right, if you got those right, go ahead and give yourself a star. Now this whole packet is going to be collected during our next folder exchange, so please put this in your red folder so that I can collect it from you during the next exchange. Good job for checking your work, boys and girls, and we'll see you next time.